In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite your accountant to use your Freeagent account. This is a straightforward process that lets you seamlessly share the necessary access to your financial data so your accountant can manage their tasks efficiently. Let's walk through each step together to make this transition as smooth as possible. First, we need to begin by navigating to the right section within your Freeagent account. After logging in, you'll want to direct your attention to the top right corner where you'll see your business name displayed. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear, presenting you several options. From this list, select Settings, and once you're in the Settings menu, look for and click on Users. This will take you to the area where you can manage people associated with your account. Now that we're in the Users section, it's time to add a new user. For this, simply click on the New User button. This action opens up a form where we'll fill in the details of the new member you want to add. Next, we'll enter the user details. You'll be prompted to input your accountant's first and last name, along with their email address. These details are essential, as this is how Freeagent will recognize and communicate with them. Take a moment to ensure the email address is accurate to avoid any hiccups later in the process. Once you've entered these details, it's time to assign the appropriate role. In the Role drop-down menu, select Accountant. By choosing this role, you give your accountant specific privileges tailored to financial management without revealing unnecessary information. After selecting the role, you will need to set their permissions. While they are automatically granted accountant status, you have the option to specify their permission level. Freeagent uses a scale from 7 to 8 for new users with accountant roles. If you choose level 7, they'll be able to manage tax, accounting, and users. At level 8, they'll have full access. It's advisable to have a quick chat with your accountant to determine which permission level they feel comfortable with, ensuring they're able to execute their responsibilities effectively. With everything set up just right, it's time to send the invitation. Before doing so, there's an option to check a box that allows you to send a customized email invitation. This feature helps in personalizing the invitation that your accountant will receive, making it a bit more formal and informative. Finally, click on the Create New User and Send Invitation button to complete the process. That's it. Your accountant will receive the invitation and start accessing the necessary parts of your Freeagent account to get things rolling.